Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could salvage items in Hytale, otherwise known as recycling them. So to do this, all you need to do is come over to your workbench. It's important here that you do note that you do need a tier 2 workbench. You can see that I've got one just here on the right. And from here, we come over to the crafting tab and you need to come down here to the salvages workbench. Here you can see that you need iron ingots, any tree trunk and any stone, and you can see the quantities just there. All you need to do is go ahead and craft that. I have already crafted one and placed it down just here, but if you go ahead and open this up here, you can see that I have the option to drag tools and things in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and recycle this old crude sword since we've moved on to iron now. And here you can see that I have successfully recycled that, and I can take the resources into my inventory. And there we go. And that's how you recycle and salvage items in Hytale. I hope this tutorial helps.